Hi everyone, and welcome to the Hit Parade Football Card Box Break. Let's get into it. With 8 spots, we have BEB PK7. With 8 spots, we have Jerseys and Stuff. With 7 spots, we have CJ. With 1 spot, we have Happy to Bid. With 5 spots, we have Jamie Hoffman. With 1 spot, we have CSTI. And with 2 spots, we have Laz. Alright, let's copy our list and paste it on randomize.org. I'm always going a little bit too far. There. And paste. Alright, we'll be randomizing our list 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, on the top we have BB. At the bottom we have Jamie Hoffman. Let's copy our new list. And as I said in the last video, check out the hockey card break for 99 cents. Whatever spots you buy, I'm gonna double it. Alright, here's our new list. Alright. BEB with the Cardinals jerseys and stuff, with the Falcons. Laz with the Ravens. CJ with the Bills and Panthers. BEB with the Bears and Bengals. CJ with the Browns jerseys and stuff, with the Cowboys. CJ with the Broncos and Lions. Happy to Bid with the Packers. Jamie Hoffman with the Texans. Laz with the Colts. Jamie Hoffman with the Jaguars. CSTI with the Chiefs. Jamie Hoffman with the Rams jerseys and stuff, with the Chargers and Dolphins. BEB with the Vikings and Patriots jerseys and stuff, with the Saints. CJ with the Giants and Jets jerseys and stuff, with the Raiders, Eagles, and Steelers. BEB with the 49ers and Seahawks. Jamie Hoffman with the Buccaneers. BEB with the Titans, and Jamie Hoffman with the Redskins. Alright, let's open up our box. Alright, let's open up this box. Alright. Up this box. No bonus card, but the baseball one, this one right here, this one's really heavy. It seems like it has another bonus card in it, so I listed that one now. That definitely has a bonus card in it. Alright, let's open this up. Looks like we have a college card in the front. That means we have to look it up. Darn. And I decided if I might not be giving out the base card, since it's valueless, or you know what I mean. It's not worth anything, but I probably might if you already won something. EJ Dibs, Iowa State. See if there's a team on here. Nope. Looks like we have to look that one up. Oh, this is a nice autograph too. That's a golden signature. Dry Archer. Let's see. Jeez, all college cards. Alright, finally, a Chargers. Brad Sorensen. Number 299. Coming to the Chargers. Where are the Chargers? Oh, Los Angeles Chargers. I was thinking San Diego. Right there. Jerseys and stuff. You win the first NFL card of the day. Another college. There has to be. Alright, looks like we gotta look that one up again too. Alright, finally, Carolina Panthers again. Numbered 1 out of 100. I love these things. It's like the helmet ones. Autographed by Chris Gamble. Going to the Panthers. That is CJ. You win that one. Alright, next we have a relic. Mike Anderson, Denver Broncos. That is going to the Broncos, obviously. That is also CJ. Right there. You win that one. So you win the Panthers. Now, let me just get that out of the way. Next. Ooh, if this is game used, then. Oh, it's a throwback patch. But, these things are still pretty cool. That is going to the Tennessee Titans. Alright. Titans, BEB PK7. Alright, next. For the Patriots, relic, Teddy Bursici. Going to the Patriots. Alright, see who's got the Patriots. That is BEB PK7. Alright, next. This one looks really cool. Alright, check this one out. Whew. A double relic. Numbered 355. Golden Tate and Jimmy Clausen. Panthers and Seahawks. We'll see who has both teams. And we'll decide via randomization, I guess. So, Seahawks is BEB. And the Panthers is CJ. So, we'll just do a quick little randomization on here. Whoever's name shows up at the top wins the card. CJ, BEB. Randomize it 5 times, alright? Whoever's name is on the top, after the 5 randomizations, gets the card. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, it looks like B, C, 5 randomizations. BEB is on top, so BEB wins that card. This is the base card. I think there's multiple base cards here. Worth absolutely nothing. I mean, I'll look them up. But, they're not worth anything. Cardinals, Steve Bush relic. Alright. That is going to the Cardinals. Whoa. There we go. Sorry. That is BPK7. You win that one. Alright, last card, no name card. Joe Looney, base card. Alright, so Hit Parade did not have a very good time with this one. Here, we'll look up the cards that need to be looked up. Alright, we have the 3 autos, the 3 autos, and 3 base cards. We will actually, how about we don't rant, we'll look them up if, the video doesn't go past 15 minutes. That sounds like a deal. And I'll just randomize it. Alright, let's look up the first guy for the golden signature. Dry Archer. Dry Archer. Alright, it looks like he plays for the longest, he's played for the Pittsburgh Steelers. So that looks like it's going to the... Oh, wait, nope. Since it's... I remember, this break is going by current team, so it's going to the Bills. CJ, you win that one. Congrats. Alright, next. This is, it seems like an old card. Tommy Nobis. Let's look that up. Oh, he's old. He was in the NFL draft. He was the first overall pick in 1966. Wow. He's played only for the Atlanta Falcons. That's going to the Falcons. That's probably the best card in this deck right now. That's jerseys and stuff. You win that one. Alright, next we have... We did that one. Oh, the EJ Bibbs. EJ Bibbs. There he is. Oh, poor guy. It looks like he played for the Cleveland Browns. Poor man. Alright. These two are practice squad, so it is, which means he's not really on the team. So it's going to the Cleveland Browns because that's the only one that he's not a practice squad in. Alright. Cleveland Browns. CJ, you win that one. Alright, I guess we'll randomize the list, and 5 times whoever's on the top gets all the base cards, since they're really not worth anything at all whatsoever. So, but I mean, it's still